everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. I have a large priority box of Christmas items that I need to move out of my craft room. So this is PayPal only, friends and family, US only, must be 18 years old. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation, and then you're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. Once again, that's fphandmade@gmail.com. And this priority box of goodness is $80 ship. So let me share with you what will be included. First up, from Paper Lane by Recollections, this 12 by 12 paper pad. It initially had 29 designs, 2 sheets of each. And I think I've used maybe 5 sheets of it. Let's take a look. So super cute paper pad, really soft, traditional colors, red, green, and then some pink, which I think is awesome. Mostly red though. So that's the paper pad. And then I have a stack of Vicki Boutin's Warm Wishes set. You get the stamp set. You get Warm Wishes embellishments. I may have used a couple out of this one. You get Warm Wishes stickers, and you can see that some are missing. But hey, here's a brand new one right here, which have none missing. So this one has some missing, but still quite a few to use. And then here's the pack that hasn't been used. Then here's Warm Wishes embellishments. Some of these embellishments may have been used. I think maybe the snow globe, I don't know. But a majority of them are here. And then here's another pack of them. Once again, a majority of them, of this embellishments are here. Here is the Warm Wishes puffy stickers. Some of those are missing, but you still get quite a few. And then Warm Wishes embellishments, and these are the ones that are in here, and I may have used a couple of these. And here's the paper pad. I think it's 24 sheets, and I believe there's 17 sheets left. I think that's 17, front and back. And then the Warm Wishes stencil set, and it's 3 stencils here. You have the snowflakes, and then the snow, and then it's really pretty snowflake design, and then greenery. So that's all from the Vicki Boutin Warm Wishes set. And then we get some other bits and pieces here. I'll pull them over. So you get some sequence mix, and the green ones are little Christmas trees or just green trees. And then here's from Hobby Lobby, and this is Pebbles, and I think this is Merry Little Christmas, and maybe one maybe missing out of here, or 2, only a couple. Here's another pack with these designs in there, super cute. From Hobby Lobby, these embellishments, or stickers, not embellishments, dimensional stickers. From Hobby Lobby, also the stick abilities, and one may be missing out of this, but I'm not sure, it may not be. I think they may all be there. From Spellbinders, it's Make It Merry floral die cut shapes, and it's just all kinds of winter goodness in this pack. And oh, it's another pack of warm of floral die cut shapes. These little cute tags from Pebbles. From Rosie, these Twinkle All the Way little stickers. Aren't they cute? I think only a couple are missing. From Anna Griffin, these inside sentiments ready to go. You just glue them in to your inner middle of your card, and they have things like saying, sending more thoughts and very best wishes this holiday. There are several still in here. I've used some of them, but you can see that there's a lot left. And those are from Anna Griffin. All right, let me get the next stack of stuff. So, excuse me, it's my cord. My phone was dying if you saw that cord. This is Simon Says Stamps. This is, I think it's called Thank Santa. Oh, the Man, the Myth. And it comes with the die set that cuts out both glasses, the hat, and the beard. And I actually have 2 of those in there. So if you want to stamp out several of these, you have 2 sets of dice to use. From Jill's Joyful Heart, the Snow Angel stamp set. She's adorable. Let me show the backs. It's kind of got a little ink on it. I couldn't get it all off, but still usable. From Spellbinders, I have this set for the postal and post mailbox. I actually have 2 of the die sets, and then I actually have a few of the the postal things already cut out. And here is the stamp set, and then here's the add-on for the Christmas decorations. I made over 20 cards with this, so having 2 sets at the time really helped me. My husband was able to cut out some of the things, and I was able to cut out some of the other things. From Birch Press Designs, this Splendid Poinsettia. And if you've ever had a Birch Press Design die set, they're serious about their die sets. They give you a little magnetic sheet here. It's the front and the back, and it has a little guide on how to combine the dies for the beautiful poinsettia. It's from Birch Press Design. And then also from them, this is this cute little die set, and it's called Christmas Greetings, and it also comes with a die to cut out the sentiments. From Paper Rose, this cute little die here. I think it's like berries to me. I think that's why I put it in here. Super cute, and it's called Berry Borders metal die. From Creative Time, this little chunky jar die set. And I put this in here because I thought you could put something in the jars that are Christmas related, and or put on top of the jar some paper that would be cut out by this piece to look like the fabric that you put on jars. From Pixie Dust Design, this cute little reindeer mug. This is adorable. Look at him. I have an example in here. I made a bunch of these for work, and my coworkers love them. And then also from Pixie Dust Designs, the Santa mug. I made a bunch of these too, and I have a partial one made there. I always put my little bits back in the bag in case I need to use them again. But I wanted to show you what this one looks like. Isn't he cute? Turned out so cute. I passed these out with a packet of cocoa. Turned out really cute. And this adorable little spellbinder reindeer, and it has Season's Greetings sentiment, and that's how that looks. Really sweet. Look at those eyelashes. Wish I had eyelashes like that. From Honeybee, this die set, and this is like a little town that you can make a winter wonderland. I thought I wanted to make a winter wonderland, but then when I got it, I realized I didn't. And this is the die of the month from Spellbinders, July 23. This little stocking. And I used this year before last, maybe, and made a ton. This is super fun. super fun. And then we have this Spellbinder stencil by BB Cameron, and it's the pretty little Christmas balls. And then from Sand with Stamps, this is Photos Place stamp set, and this is what I used last year on my Christmas cards. And I actually have a sample to show you how it turned out. I sent out over 50 of these, and everyone seemed to really love them. And that's by Photo Play. And then last but not least, I have this Spellbinders 3D embossing folder. It's called Argyle Plaid. I thought this would fall really well into the Christmas theme. And that's it. So if you're interested in this Christmas Destash, let me know. It's PayPal, friends and family, US only. Must be 18 years old. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. You're going to email me at FP Handmade if you're interested, and it's $80 ship. Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.